I just got this happy birthday banner. Here's how it arrives. You're gonna have to string this yourself, so I'll show you how it turns out. I've got H, A, and P. It comes with the string. It's nice black, just basic black cardboard with a glittery gold letter. And I thought it would look nice on a white wall or anything that this would stand out against. I did not know it was going to be a little project. Oops. Okay, and some of these have not been punched out, so that. Do you want to go in front of the cardboard or behind it? I think you want to go behind it. Like this. There it is, strung up. I like the gold, how the light in the room reflects off of it. And I've got some white shutters back there, so it kind of pops, it's nice. And this is how it looks at night. I've got these string lights behind them that add a lot. The gold lettering is easy to see and the string lights really draw attention to it. The lights are 9 feet, 8 inches, and they have a bunch of different flash modes, but I've just got it on steady for now. And I like that the lights are on a timer too. I think this is great birthday decor for any age, any gender, any theme. Both of these things are a really good buy.